the 6 essential nutrients and how they nourish your body. In the world of wellness and nutrition, few concepts are as foundational and as misunderstood as the 6 essential nutrients. These are the building blocks of life, the fuel for every cell, and the silent guardians of your long-term health. Whether you're designing a comeback plan after 50 or simply trying to eat smarter, understanding these nutrients is the first step toward empowered living. Let's break them down, explore how they nourish your body, and discover how to track them in your daily routine. 1. Carbohydrates, the body's primary fuel source. Carbohydrates often get a bad rap, but they're your body's preferred energy source. Found in fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes, carbs are broken down into glucose, which fuels your brain, muscles, and organs. Why they matter? Provide quick and sustained energy. Support brain function and mood. Aid in digestion through fiber-rich sources. Best sources: whole grains, quinoa, oats, brown rice. Fruits: bananas, berries, apples. Vegetables: sweet potatoes, carrots. Legumes: lentils, chickpeas. Tip for late starters: choose complex carbs with fiber to stabilize blood sugar and support long-term energy, especially important for those rebuilding stamina after 50. 2. Proteins, the repair and growth agents. Proteins are made of amino acids, which are essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting immune function. Why they matter? Build and repair muscles, skin, and organs. Support immune health. Help regulate metabolism and hormones. Best sources: lean meats, chicken, turkey. Fish, salmon, tuna. Eggs, and dairy. Plant-based options: tofu, tempeh, lentils, nuts. Tip for comeback planners: protein intake becomes more critical with age to prevent muscle loss, sarcopenia. Include protein in every meal to support strength and recovery. 3. Fats, the essential protectors. Fats are not the enemy. They're vital for brain health, hormone production, and nutrient absorption. The key is choosing the right types. Why they matter? Support brain and nerve function. Aid in absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K. Provide long-lasting energy. Protect organs and regulate temperature. Best sources: healthy fats. Avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds. Omega-3s, fatty fish, flax seeds, walnuts. Avoid trans fats and limit saturated fats. Tip for wellness trackers: use a weekly fat tracker to monitor your intake of omega-3s and reduce inflammatory fats. This supports heart health and cognitive clarity. 4. Vitamins, the micronutrient powerhouses. Vitamins are organic compounds that regulate metabolism, immunity, and cellular function. Each vitamin plays a unique role, and deficiencies can lead to serious health issues. Why they matter? Vitamin C boosts immunity and collagen production. Vitamin D supports bone health and mood. B vitamins aid energy metabolism and brain function. Vitamin A promotes vision and skin health. Best sources: fruits and vegetables, especially colorful ones. Whole grains. Fortified foods. Supplements when needed. Tip for nutrient planners: create a monthly vitamin checklist to track intake and spot gaps, especially for D and B12, which are common deficiencies in older adults. 5. Minerals, the structural and functional regulators. Minerals are inorganic elements that support everything from bone strength to nerve transmission. They're essential for hydration, muscle function, and metabolic balance. Why they matter? Calcium builds bones and teeth. Iron transports oxygen in the blood. Magnesium supports muscle and nerve function. Zinc aids immunity and wound healing. Best sources: dairy products, leafy greens, nuts and seeds, whole grains, red meat and legumes. Tip for global awareness kits: include a mineral deficiency map to highlight global disparities in access to iron, iodine, and calcium. Great for civic engagement and education. 6. Water, the forgotten nutrient. Water is often overlooked, yet it's the most critical nutrient of all. Every cell, tissue, and organ depends on it to function properly. Why it matters? regulates body temperature, transports nutrients and oxygen, flushes out toxins, lubricates joints and tissues. Best practices. Drink 6 to 8 glasses daily, more if active or in hot climates. Eat water-rich foods, cucumbers, watermelon, oranges. Monitor hydration with urine color and energy levels. Tip for wellness printables. Add a hydration tracker to your planner bundle. It's one of the simplest ways to boost energy, focus, and skin health. How these nutrients work together. No nutrient works in isolation. Carbs fuel your body, proteins rebuild it, fats protect it, vitamins and minerals regulate it, and water keeps it all running smoothly. A deficiency in one can affect the others, like low vitamin D impairing calcium absorption, or dehydration reducing nutrient transport. That's why balanced nutrition is key. It's not about perfection. It's about consistency, awareness, and empowerment. Tools to track and empower your nutrition. For creators like you, turning this knowledge into actionable tools is the next step. Here are ideas for printables and planner inserts. Daily nutrient tracker. Log intake of all 6 nutrients with checkboxes and portion guides. Weekly meal planner. Color-coded by nutrient type to ensure balance. Vitamin and mineral deficiency checklist. Helps users identify symptoms and food sources. Hydration and energy log. Connects water intake to mood and productivity. Comeback Nutrition Challenge. A 30-day printable to rebuild health after 50. Final thoughts. Understanding the 6 essential nutrients is more than a biology lesson. It's a blueprint for vitality. Whether you're recovering from setbacks, building a second act, or simply trying to feel better in your body, these nutrients are your allies. They nourish not just your cells, but your confidence, clarity, and capacity to thrive.